NVIDIA just announced RTX Spark. Almost every headline got the story wrong. Everyone is talking about the 1 petaflop AI performance. Some people are talking about gaming. Others are talking about the new Blackwell graphics. But the most important part of RTX Spark is something most people completely overlooked, like share and subscribe, because this announcement could completely change what a Windows PC does. Let's get straight to it. The real story is 128 gigabytes of unified memory. That might sound boring. It isn't. Most laptops today have 16 or 32 gigabytes of memory. Even expensive machines often stop at 64. RTX Spark doubles that, and because it uses unified memory, the processor, graphics chip, and AI hardware can all access the same memory at the same time. Why does that matter? Because memory has become the biggest limitation for artificial intelligence. Not processing power, memory. And that is why NVIDIA's next claim is so shocking. RTX Spark can run AI models with up to 120 billion parameters locally, not in a cloud server, not in a data center, on your laptop. And if that sounds impressive, wait until you hear what NVIDIA wants those models to do. The company says RTX Spark is designed for AI agents. Think of them as digital assistants that can actually perform tasks instead of just answering questions. Imagine telling your computer to find files, build a presentation, summarize documents, edit media, and organize everything automatically. That is the future NVIDIA and Microsoft are building, and Microsoft is changing Windows itself to make it happen. The two companies are introducing new security systems and something called OpenShell, which basically acts as a control center for AI agents. In simple terms, your AI assistant gets access to powerful tools while you stay in control of what it can and cannot do. Now here's where the announcement gets a little ridiculous. NVIDIA says RTX Spark systems can run language models with context windows reaching 1 million tokens. If you're wondering what that means, think of it as giving an AI assistant an incredibly large memory so it can remember and understand far more information during a conversation. But somehow NVIDIA still wasn't finished. RTX Spark combines a 20-core Grace processor with a Blackwell RTX graphics chip containing more than 6,000 CUDA cores and dedicated AI hardware capable of delivering up to 1 petaflop of AI performance. Just a few years ago, that kind of AI power belonged in specialized servers. Now NVIDIA wants it inside thin Windows laptops, and they are not targeting just AI users. Creators might be some of the biggest winners. According to NVIDIA, RTX Spark systems can edit 12K video, generate 4K AI video, and render massive 90 gigabyte three-dimensional scenes directly on the machine. Then Adobe made one of the most interesting announcements of all. Photoshop and Premiere are being redesigned specifically for RTX Spark, not simply optimized, redesigned. NVIDIA says creators could see up to 2 times faster AI and graphics performance across editing, effects, rendering, and creative workflows. And yes, gamers are included too. NVIDIA claims RTX Spark laptops can play modern AAA games at 1440p resolution with more than 100 frames per second while using technologies like ray tracing, DLSS, and reflex. So let's recap what NVIDIA is actually promising. A thin laptop, up to 128 gigabytes of unified memory, 1 petaflop of AI performance, local 120 billion parameter AI models, 1 million token context windows, 12K video editing, 4K AI video generation, AAA gaming at over 100 frames per second, and AI agents built directly into the Windows experience. That is not a normal laptop launch. That is NVIDIA trying to redefine what a personal computer is. The biggest clue is that Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Microsoft Surface, MSI, Acer, and Gigabyte are already building systems around it. This is not a concept, it is a full industry push. But here's the question, will people actually want computers that work more like assistants than tools? Because that is what RTX Spark is really about. Not faster laptops, not better graphics, a completely different relationship between you and your computer. And this wasn't even NVIDIA's biggest AI announcement. The company also revealed DGX Station for Windows, which basically puts AI supercomputer technology on a desk. We'll break that down in the next video because it explains where NVIDIA thinks AI is heading after RTX Spark. Until then, would you trust an AI agent with access to your entire computer?